Hey everybody! I'm here today to tell you how to seem more friendly. And this will be a tutorial, so let's get right into this instructional video tutorial. I'll be going over 5 simple things that you can do and incorporate into your regular everyday routine that will allow you to seem a little bit more friendly, okay? So without further ado, we're going to get right into it. So take notes, try them out, and hopefully you'll seem a little bit more friendly once you've incorporated them. And obviously incorporating one of them is great, but incorporating more of them or multiple of them is even better in terms of your friendliness factor. So starting off with number one is smile. Literally just smile. When you smile, you will seem a bit more friendly. So just smile, okay? Now, even if you're not having the best day, smile, because it'll make you seem more friendly, but also it'll boost your mood. Smiling will boost your mood almost naturally. So just put on a smile, okay? As much as you possibly can. And that'll hopefully allow you to boost your mood and feel better, but it also up your friendliness factor as well. So that's number one. Moving on to number two. Number two is say hi. Literally just say hi. There's no harm in saying hi, okay? I had a friend who used to say, this guy that I used to know back in the day, who would say, saying hi is free. Meaning, like, you can say hi to anybody. It doesn't cost you anything. It doesn't do anything bad to you. It's just something simple that you can do. So just say hi. Literally say hi to people. That is the easiest way to seem more friendly, because most of the time, people are open to conversation, but they don't necessarily want to start the conversation. So if you say hi to people, then you're going to hopefully get some good conversations, but people are going to perceive you as a conversation starter, which is a friendly type of person, okay? So just say hi to people. Literally just say hi, okay? You don't have to say hi to everybody, but like just say hi. So sometimes if I don't know the person beside me and we're at the same situation, let's say, I'm at my son's, a hockey practice, right? Or a hockey game, and the person beside me is a parent on the other team, right? And I don't know them. I'll just say, hey, how are you? Right? So just say hi. And then we end up having a conversation sometimes for half an hour. And we make, I make new friends, I make new acquaintances, I make new connections. Just say hi. Literally as simple as that. And people will perceive you a lot more as being friendly overall. Your friendly factor will go up. Moving on to number three. Number three is listen to others. So literally just listen to people. People love to talk. As you can tell by myself, I love to talk. By listening to others, you are going to fill in that desire for them to want to talk and have someone listen to them, which will make you seem friendly, because they're like, oh, you know what? This person's listening to me. They got to be pretty friendly. So listen to others, okay? You don't have to care about what they say. You don't have to be involved in what they say, but just listen. Just let them talk and listen. And if you want to be even, better in terms of your friendliness factor, then ask them questions. But at least at the bare minimum, just listen to them, and they will perceive you, hopefully, as being more friendly overall. Moving on to number four. Number four is have a relaxed body language. You have to just have an overall relaxed body language. If you're there tense, arms crossed, you're going to look not as friendly. But if you're like relaxed, your shoulders are down, your arms are like by your side, you got like a normal, regular face. You don't look angry or anything like that. You just got like a normal, regular face, even a little bit of a smirk, just a little, just a slight general smirk on your face. You're gonna seem more friendly. People are gonna see you as being more friendly. Now, does that mean that, like, if naturally you want to cross your arms? I get it, because like you want to have your arms in that state. I get it, but like, overall, the more relaxed body language factors you have going for you, the friendlier that you're likely to seem. So like, I generally, I like to stand with my arms crossed if I'm just watching something, but that's the only thing out of me that doesn't look relaxed. Everything else about my body language is relaxed. So like, it's okay if you have one not relaxed feature, but as long as the other features are all relaxed, you're still going to seem friendly overall. That's the key there. Just, you want more things working for you than against you in terms of your relaxed body language with regards to seeming more friendly overall. Moving on to the last one for this video, which is number five. Number five is be calm and, I was going to say patient. And yes, you should be calm and patient. That's definitely part of it. But for number five, I wrote down number five, be calm and pleasant. Okay, so you got to be calm and pleasant. And yes, obviously be patient as well, but be calm and pleasant. Calm and pleasant are the key factors there. Now, when you're calm and pleasant, people are going to perceive you as being more friendly. Now, I am not calm, if you can't tell by my voice, but I am really pleasant, okay? And I also don't speak like this all the time. I speak like this during my content for my videos, but generally speaking, I don't speak like this, like in life, as if I'm talking to people, you know, I'm definitely not calm, but I am pleasant and I am extremely patient as well. So yeah, you know, be calm and pleasant are the things you have to show off in order to seem more friendly. But as an added bonus, I didn't write this one down, but be patient as well. Because if you're calm and pleasant, people are going to perceive you as being more friendly and more approachable. And if you're patient, that's an added bonus. Think about it like that. But yeah, those are the things that you can do to sort of seem more friendly. And the more of them that you have working for you, the better in terms of your friendliness factor. And that's it. Hopefully you enjoyed the video, but I've got nothing else to say. So with nothing else to say, we're going to roll the outro. So officially, without further ado, here's the outro for this specific video. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.